Hey everybody, it's Dylan. Check out what I have here. I have some bone conducting headphones. So let's show you guys what these are here and we'll give it a little try. It's a fairly light box, so hopefully these are going to be fairly light headphones. Okay, so here we go, opening it up. Boy. There we go. Okay, so here it is. It's probably going to be a charging cable for it. And then here are the headphones. So they work like you put them around the back and they go around like that. So that's kind of how it is there. Let's see what we got in here. So in this, we have some earplugs. Not sure exactly. Oh, I guess you could still plug your ears and hear it because it's bone conduction. We have a USB to USB-C charger here, and then we have a little band. These little bands make it so you could put it around the back and it'll hold it in place a little bit better if you needed to for certain, if you're doing some sporting events like running or something like that, that it's gonna be bouncing around too much. You don't want it to bounce around. So, okay, so I've had some of these before, so let's see if this one's gonna work similarly. Let's see, I might need to look at the instructions, but we'll go ahead and give it a try anyways. Okay, let's see what we got here. Here's the manual. It's the X12 one here. So on and off, looks like it's the middle button on here. Oh, actually here, I'll show you guys first. This is the USB-C charging port on one of those headphones right there. So that's what this there. And the other side has nothing on it. And then this one here, looks like the middle button is gonna be the power button. And there it is. So now it should be in pairing mode. Let's see if my computer will find it. Bluetooth settings. I think it's going to be Bluetooth. Okay, it found something called X12, and I can say connect. Okay, so, and that's what it's called. So it's called X12 on the computer. Oh, I got all sorts of vibrations. I'm guessing that means it's connected. So let's go ahead and try to play something. Where is my mouse? And
we get dressed.
Oh, it's not coming out of there. It's coming out of my computer. So let me try to set this up here. Settings. On a computer, I have to change something a little bit differently. Sound. Okay, so there. Oh. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear it. No, okay. It totally sounds just like it's right here in the room, just like everything else. And it's loud. It's a little bit louder than my computer was. So if I had that computer, wow, it's still loud. That's cool. Okay, so I heard it and I thought it was coming from around here because I don't have anything in my ears. Like it's just open and I hear it. I guess because it's conducting through my bones. But let me go ahead and try these earpieces in here and see what it sounds like with these on here, just for fun. So there's one side in. Let's see. Okay, so there, now I have earpieces in, and I totally hear it. This is so cool. I can't hear anything else around me because it's there, and it's weird. I can't hear them now at all, but then when I do this, I hear it. When I take these out again, just so I can hear myself. But that's cool. I hear it a little bit. Like here, if I put it up here, you can probably hear my niece talking. But sounds great. So this will be cool. This will be great for running or doing anything else. Probably keep it next to my Peloton, so when I'm doing some exercising and stuff like that, I can listen to things without bothering anybody else. And they're totally unobtrusive and light and good. So man, this is great. Thumbs up for sure.